Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Thank you. It's a good thing we have extra chopsticks. Throw the pear into this fire.
Mm-hmm.
Take two. Want to try again? Let's just put it into the fire.
Nani? Choky! Sticky! Do not mind me drinking dish. Those of you who are wondering, I'm drinking this.
Yep, you're drinking straight up lemon juice.
For fun! And because I love it.
Yes, my daughter is very strange. But hey, she takes after me.
Haha!
Hey, own your weird. Only you can do you.
Okay.
And if you're trying to be like somebody else, you're just faking it.
Never. Leave me on.
For those that are wondering, the way I marinated these steak pieces, you could actually eat them raw.
Yep.
It's called steak tartare.
I was eating a few.
Yep. So it is recommended that you know the source of the meat. If you don't know the source of the meat, don't do it. Because you never know.
Mm-hmm.
Might have mad cow disease.